Welcome to How to Play Flip 7. To play, you will need the Flip 7 card game, 3 or more players, and something to keep score with. The object of the game is to score points. Points are scored based on the total value of cards in front of you each round. Players start with one card in front of them and can hit for more cards. The catch being that if a player hits a card with the same value as a card already in front of them, they will bust and score no points for the round. The numbered cards have a varying amount, so it is important to keep the card count in mind when playing. The game starts with the dealer dealing one card to each player. The dealer will then offer the option to hit or stay to each player. A hit will get the player another card. By staying, the player exits the round and banks their current points. Diana decides to hit and gets another card. Play moves to Peter, who will hit. Play moves to Jess, who will hit. And play moves to Wade, who will hit. Play returns to Diana, who decides to hit again. Diana gets a duplicate card in the 8 and busts. Diana is out of this round and scores no points. Play moves to Peter, who decides to stay. This locks in Peter's points for the round. Play moves to Jess, who hits. During the game, you might encounter action cards or modifier cards. There are 3 types of action cards. A player that gets an action card can play it on an active player, including themselves. The freeze card forces a player to bank their current points and be out for the round. The flip 3 cards forces a player to accept the next 3 cards being flipped. These second chance cards are kept by the player. The player can use this card when given a card with the same number they already have. The second chance card and the duplicate card are discarded together, and the player stays active. Modifier cards will increase a player's total at the end of a round. The round ends when there are no more active players because all players have chosen to stay or have busted. Players who did not bust will score for their cards at the end of the round. The number cards are added together, then any modifier cards are added to the score. The scores are recorded, and the first player to score 200 or more points wins the game. When starting a new round, set all the cards from the current round to the side. Do not shuffle them back into the deck. Pass the deck of remaining cards to the next player to deal. When this deck runs out, the discarded cards are shuffled to form the new deck. Action cards can only be played to active players. A player that has busted or stayed is not active. If a player can flip 7 unique cards, the round ends immediately. The player to get a flip 7 gets 15 bonus points on top of the numbered score. If you enjoyed learning how to play the game Flip 7 and you are curious about other games, our channel is your go-to spot for fun, easy-to-follow tutorials. Check out the collection of videos to find your next favorite game.